Good morning, student. Today is 7th May 2020. This is our lecture number 37. Chapter is retirement of a partner and topic is adjustment of partner capital account after retirement of a partner, or we can say at the time of retirement of a partner, or adjustment of capital of continuing partner. So in this topic I have to adjust existing partner capital in their new ratio. So in partnership business, partners may or may not contribute their capital in proportion to their profit share, but at the time of retirement, death of a partner, the continuing partner may decide that their capital will be in proportion to their profit sharing ratio in future. In such circumstances, capital of the firm is ascertained and it is divided among partners in their profit sharing ratio. If they so desire, the desired capital is compared with the actual capital of the partners, and excess or deficit in capital may either be adjusted in cash or may be adjusted by opening the current account of the partner, as we have done in admission chapter also. So journal entry will be for this purpose. See journal entry. If capital of a partner is less, then he have to bring, so journal entry will be cash account DR or bank account DR to concerned partners capital account. And in second journal entry, if capital of a partner is more, they will withdraw from firm, so journal entry will be concerned partners capital account DR to cash account or bank account. Now third journal entry, if the surplus in their capital accounts is transferred to their current account, journal entry will be same, concerned partner capital account to concerned partner current account and vice versa respectively. Now I am going to solve some practical problem based on this topic. This is adjustment of capital. Suppose X, Y and Z are partner in a firm in the ratio of 3:2:1 on 1st April 2019. Y retires from firm. X and Z, that the capital of new firm shall be fixed capital 2,10,000 in their profit sharing ratio. X and Z agreed after Y retirement. X and Z agreed to share fixed capital 2,10,000 in their profit sharing ratio. The capital account of X and Z after all adjustment on the date of retirement, so the balance X equal to 1,45,000 and Y equal to 63,000 respectively. State the amount actual cash to be brought in or to be paid off to partners. Means excess capital if any partner he will withdraw from firm, and shortage of capital they will bring in firm. So how much amount will bring or withdraw by X and Y, I have to calculate in this question. Now first new answer will be new ratio of X and Z will be 3:1 because Y retires and nothing is stated in question. So new ratio will be 3:1 and total capital of firm will be fixed 2,10,000. It is given in question. So X, therefore X new capital will be 2,10,000 into 3/4. It will be 1,57,000 and 500, and therefore Y new capital will be 2,10,000 into 1/4. It will be 52,500. Now we can see that X capital is given 1,45,000 and he has to keep 1,57,500. So X, therefore X brings equal to 1,57,500 minus 1,45,000 it will be 12,500, and therefore Z new capital, and Z brings equal to 52,500 minus Z not bring, because Z capital is more than he have to keep, so it will be 63,000 minus 52,500, and it will be 10,500. So Z is to be paid 10,500, and X has to bring 12,500. This is the example of adjustment of capital. Now see one more example or question I will solve. Suppose A, B and C are partner in a firm in the ratio of 5:3:7, and on 1st April 2019 A retires from firm, and B and C decided to share future profit in the ratio of 2:3. New ratio of B and C will be 2:3. This is given in question. This is question. The adjusted capital account of B and C is given in question. Suppose 33,000 and C 70,500 respectively. The total amount to be paid to A is given 90,500. This amount is to be paid by B and C in such a way that their capital become proportionate to their new profit sharing ratio. Pass journal entries and show your note clearly. This question may be asked in 3 marks in board exam. Once again more, I want to understand the question. A, B and C are partner in a firm, and A retires on 1st April 2019. B and C agreed the future profit sharing ratio will be 2:3. B's capital after all adjustment 33,000 and C's capital is 70,500, and A have to paid to A 90,500 after all adjustment, and Question says pass necessary journal entries and show your note clearly. So first I will calculate total capital of new firm. Total capital of answer will be total capital of new firm will be B's capital is given 33,000. C's capital is also given 70,500 and paid to A 90,000. So A's capital 90,500. Now total capital will be 1,94,000. So new total capital of new firm will be 1,94,000. Now I will divide new capital in new profit sharing ratio B and C. So B's new capital will be 1,94,000 into 2 by 5. It will be 77,600. Now C's new capital will be 1,94,000 into 3 by 5. So it will be 1,16,400. Now I will calculate cash to be brought in or paid off. So I can see B's new capital should be 77,600 and given in question 33,000 only. So B brings equal to 77,600 minus 33,000. Total will be 44,600. Now C brings equal to 1,16,400 minus 90,500. Sorry, 70,500. C's capital is given in question. So remaining balance will be 45,900. Now journal entry will be, for this purpose, bank account DR to B's capital account and to C's capital account. $44,600 and $45,900. Total will be 90,500. Now next journal entry will be A's capital account DR to bank account. 90,500. 90,500. In this question, we have to understand that A is retiring partner and paid to A is 90,500. So how much amount will bring B and C that could be paid to A? Therefore, I will and also capital of B and C will be in new ratio. So I have calculate total capital of new firm should be 1,94,000, and when I will divide in new ratio, then how much amount should bring B and C calculated. Now first B and C will bring 90,500 and then I will paid to A 90,500. Now see one more question related to revaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet including adjustment of capital. This will be final question of this chapter, but I will solve also some more problem in next video. So see next problem. Now question is X, Y, Z are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2:1. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2019 stood as under. Liability side, capital of partners are given. Workmen compensation fund is also given and creditor. In asset side, building, plant, furniture, stock and debtor bank is given. Now question says Z retires. Goodwill is valued at 48,000. Building be valued 1 lakh. Plant 31,000. Furniture rupees 6,800. And provision for bad debt 3,000. No compensation is payable to workers. So workman compensation has not been claimed. A liability of claim included in creditor for 8,000 has agreed to take 7,000. X and Y to bring in cash to pay Z in cash and their capital to remain in profit sharing. Profit ratio leaving 6,200 as bank balance. So prepare revaluation account, partner capital account and balance sheet of new firm. Now first I will prepare format of revaluation account, partner capital account, and balance sheet. Then I will also calculate capital of new firm. So this is your format of revaluation account. DR side and CR side. Partners capital account. X, Y and Z. Partners is X, Y and Z. Credit side and debit side. This is balance sheet of new firm when Z retire. So balance sheet of X and Y. This side will be liability and this side will be assets. Now first, capital of partners will be transfer in capital account. So balance BD, it is given 60,000, 50,000 and 40,000. 60,000, 50,000 and 40,000. Now workman compensation is also given, so I will distribute it. Workman compensation reserve fund, it will be 4,500, 3,000 and 1,500 in their old ratio. Now question says goodwill of the firm valued at 48,000 at Z retired, so Z share will be 1/6 into 48,000, so it will be 8,000. Now share of goodwill will be given by X and Y to Z. So X capital account and Y's capital account will be 4,800 and 3,200, because new gaining ratio will be 3:2. It will remain same because nothing is stated in question, and new ratio also will be same 3:2. So now next point is building is valued at 1 lakh and given in balance sheet 80,000. So this will be profit. So I have to write in credit side of revaluation account, building account 20,000. Next, plant 31,000. Value of plant is given 40,000. So it will create our loss. Plant 9,000. Now furniture is given 6,800. It will also create our liability and loss. So furniture will be 1,200 because balance is given 8,000. Now provision for bad debt 3,000. It will also create our liability. So provision for bad debt 3000. Now creditor is given 8000 and agreed value is 7000. So it will be our income 1000. So I will write creditor in the credit side 1000. Now nothing is given related to revaluation account. So first I will calculate profit and loss on revaluation. 21,000 and profit on revaluation will transfer into partner capital account X, Y and Z. So profit will be 7,800. Now I will divide 7,800. It will be 3,900, 2,600 and 1,300. I will also transfer profit on revaluation in credit side of partner capital account 3,900, 2,600 and 1,300. Now question says X and Y bring in cash to pay Z in cash and their capital to remain in profit sharing ratio, leaving 6,200 as bank balance. So first I will calculate Z's capital. How much amount should be paid to Z? Total of Z capital will be 50,800 and 50,800. So I have to pay to Z bank account 50,800 and balance CD. Also I will calculate balance CD to balance CD. Now we can see total capital of X will be 68,400 and Y will be 55,600. So first I will calculate total capital of new firm. So see total capital of new firm should be X equal to 63,600 and Y equal to 52,400 and amount payable to Z is 50,800. Now required balance of cash balance, cash required. Also question says 6,200 in bank balance. So it will also bring by X and Y. So I will add 66,200. Total will be 1,73,000. But I have bank balance 3000. So bank balance, I will deduct bank balance 3000 and remaining balance will be 1,70,000 because I have to keep 6,200, but I have already exist in bank 3000, so 3,200 may be add directly, but for calculation I have seen. Now x new share will be 1,70,000 into new ratio will be 3/5, so it will be 1,02,000. 1,02,000 and y is new share equal to 1,70,000 into 2/5, it will be 68,000. Now I have to put new capital 1,02,000 and 68,000 in balance sheet. 1,02,000 and 68,000. We can see that in debit side is more than credit side, so I will write 1,02,000 and I will write bank account. It will be 38,000 as balancing figure, 38,400, and in Y 68,000 and also amount bring y 15,600. Now I will prepare balance sheet of new firm. Creditor is given and now it will be 30,000. Capital of X and Y will be 1,02,000 and 68,000, and in asset side building will be 1 lakh, plant will be 31,000 and furniture will be 6,800 and stock will be 40,000. It will remain same, no change in stock. Debtor now will be minus provision 3,000, so it will remain 16,000 only. Now bank balance has been calculated 6,200. Total amount will be 2 lakh. So this is the solution. You may take a screenshot. Now and this is your question. You may take a screenshot of question also, and you have to pair it in notebook. Thank you very much.